An appeals court in South Korea has ruled slightly in favor of Seoul authorities in a tax refund suit against U.S.-based Lone Star funds surrounding the purchase of a local skyscraper. Kim Hyun has more on the case.
The Seoul High Court, partially upholding a lower court's decision, said Wednesday there is a legal basis for the Yeoksam Tax Office to levy roughly $58 million in corporate tax on Lone Star funds for the purchase of a local skyscraper. In 2001, Lone Star purchased and sold the commercial high-rise in Seoul's Gangnam area, gaining a little over $224 million in profits. At the time of the purchase, local tax authorities withheld 50% of the sale proceeds and levied a little over $90 million in transfer income tax, and Lone Star filed suit. In 2012, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Lone Star, upholding two previous court decisions, and ordered a refund, stating that the $90 million transfer tax violates local tax law. The local tax authorities challenged the ruling, which prompted Lone Star to file a countersuit to cancel the tax. Lone Star had been claiming that it should be exempt from paying the corporate tax because its headquarters was based in Belgium, with which Korea has a double taxation avoidance deal. In Korea's first investor-state dispute case, which wrapped up on Saturday in Washington, Lone Star is suing the Korean government for nearly $4.7 billion, claiming that it was forced to pay unfair taxes, and sell off its stake in Korea Exchange Bank at a loss in 2012. The second round of hearings is set to resume on June 29th. Kim Hyun, Arirang News.